Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to share some Happy Mail I received from a new pen pal. And this Happy Mail comes from Trinidad and Tobago. And she just has it packaged in an envelope like this. I love those beautiful stamps there. She stamped a hug enclosed. I just kind of covered up the address there. And this is what she sent me. Of course, I've already read her letter. She's a really sweet person. She made a card for me. It says sending happy thoughts. It has the little postal mail with a little person hanging from the string right there. Really cute card, and she just stamped on the inside, consider this a paper hug. It's a really cute card. I really love this. Okay, and then she also sent this. It says you are the light of the world, and she made me this handmade it's like a folio that holds a tablet. So, and this can be changed out. So this is super cute. I love this, and she has matted this with this pretty striped paper. Such a cute way to gift you know, a writing tablet or correspondence. I love that. So thank you so much, Tanya. I love this, and I will be putting it to good use. I'm actually going to keep this on my desk here to jot down ideas when I get them, because a lot of times I'll get an idea and I'll just grab the first thing around, like like this. I have these little cards on my desk for when I'm studying, and most of the time I'll just grab one of these to jot down an idea, but then I end up losing it. So this will be perfect just to keep here on my desk to open up and jot down ideas. So thank you so much. Thank you for the letter, and I am currently working on a response letter for her. So right now in my area we are going through some weather that I've never seen in my lifetime. Like where I live, we never get snow. It doesn't get that cold here, and I stay really close to the coasts, but it's really icy. It's dangerous weather conditions outside. A lot of people have been without power. Fortunately, so far we have been able to keep power. So thanking God for that, and who knows, because there's supposed to be another cycle of bad weather rolling through. So yeah, so thank you very much, Tanya. And then I also received another bit of mail from a new crafty friend, and this is how it is packaged. Super cute. It's like a shaker. It's like a shaker envelope. So cute how this is packaged up. I love it. I'm gonna just use my scissors and try to open this up without damaging anything. But this is just such a unique way to send a package. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to keep from getting the glitter. I want to preserve the glitter pieces if I can. And this is the package. And this package comes from Lou David. Thank you very much, Lou. Let's see here. I'm trying to gather up all these little sprinkles because I could definitely reuse these. So, and this is what Lou sent. This is how this is packaged. Super cute. That was a great idea. Oh, and Lou sent me just Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. Okay, so here are some little flat back like heart gems, some pinks and some reds, and this cute little Hello Kitty baggie. Look at that. That baggie has Hello Kitty on it. She gifted me. Look at that. So cute. Thank you so much. And there's also these heart die cuts. So pretty. And here's another bag of different size and shaped heart sequins. Thank you so much. These are going right in my embellishment box. And she also sent me a memory decks card. Y'all know I had a challenge on my channel, Get to Know You challenge, and this is her memory decks card here. So let me just show you how pretty that is up front. She has this really pretty paper rosette, and it's layered with this really pretty designs, the circular design die cut in this really pretty paper. And she has the word hello going across there in this really pretty heart. She has some paper doilies layered on there, some of these little gold hearts. It says love here. Some bling piece right there, really pretty. And then on the back, she added her information. Lou David, her favorite colors are all shades of pink. Favorite shapes are hearts, butterflies, flowers. I feel you about those butterflies. I love butterflies as well. She loves one-on-one themed swaps, pen pal swaps, giveaway challenges. She is on YouTube as Lou David. She doesn't have any videos yet, but this is really on IG is Fuchsia Lou, and I will put that information in the description box below so you guys can check out Lou David. Thank you so much. I love this. It is going right in my memory decks box. And she also put in a mail tag. It says hello memories. I love this, how she did this card. Number 1, what got you into paper crafts and scrapbooking? Number 2, crafty pet peeves. She hates stamping. Number 3, what's your go-to colors? Pink and pink. Okay. Number 4, where do you find your inspo? Everywhere. Same here. Number 5, who's your favorite crafter? Everyone. Those that can layer. I have a fun watching. Okay. Yes. All right. And in the back of the card says, here in this moment. I love this. Okay. So, Lou, please expect to have some mail coming from me soon. She also included these really pretty Hello Kitty stickers. This says, Hello Kitty, Valentine, you are magical. Oh, and then on the back, this actually will make a cute little bag topper. Actually, it says Happy Valentine's. It says to and from there. This one says you are dreamy Valentine, and then on the back it also says to and from. This one says you are one of a kind. Valentine, you're sweet. Happy Valentine's Day. Believe these are so cute. I love Hello Kitty. You are a star Valentine. Look at that. I love those colors too. Valentine, you sparkle. Okay. Oh, we got one more. Happy Valentine's Day, friend. Well, thank you very much. And I hope you all had a happy Valentine's Day as well. I hope your families are safe, and wishing everybody some happiness and healthiness. Yeah. Oh, it says, hey friend, sorry I missed the deadline, but was real happy to craft for the Get to Know You challenge. When you get a chance, send me back an MDC so I can get to know you too. Happy crafting, Lou David. Thank you very much, and I definitely will do that. So expect to get one from me soon. I will get to working on that. And this is so cute. Look at this. Spring brings new beginnings. Not a cloud in the sky, and anything is possible. That's so cute. In a little vellum envelope with a flower. And also this nice large felt heart. Thank you, Lou. Thank you so much. We definitely have some stuff in common. I definitely love butterflies, and I definitely love pink. And I am going to load up my embellishment box with these goodies from you. So thank you so much for that. And I am going to grab my memory decks box and get your card put in there right now. I love that. Thank you so much. Yeah, I love the way you did this. This is so nice. I love it. So I am definitely going to be responding soon. But that is it for this video. I really love this idea right here, how you packaged up your envelope. And I have some little baggies that I am going to scoop all of these little sequin mix and put right in this little baggie here so that I can keep it and reuse it. So thanks so much, Lou. Thank you for supporting my channel and watching my channel. Guys, I'm going to leave Lou's information in the description box below, along with Tanya. She has a Crafty channel here on YouTube, and guys, please go and check her out. She loves card making and crafting, I just think it's important for us all to support each other. And so please go check these wonderful crafters out. And I am going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, guys, if you're not subscribed and you would like to, click the link to subscribe. Feel free to leave me a comment and share this video. So I will see you in my next one. Bye.